Good morning children. Welcome to Mahila Samaja online classes. Today let's learn about money lesson. Here is 10.1 coins and notes. Dear children, in your textbook they are given some coins and notes figures. I'll show you some coins and notes. This is 10 paise, 1 rupee coin, front side, and here is back side, 2 rupee coin, and here is 5 rupee coin. And also I'll show you some notes. This is 50 rupees, 10 rupees, this is 10 rupees, and 100 rupees. This is 100 rupees note. These are the coins. We call this one rupees. This is the symbol of rupee. Okay children. And here is 200 rupees note. This is 200 rupees notes. And here is 500 rupees note. They are written rupee 500. This is the currency of Indian currency. Symbol of rupee is this is. See children, here in your textbook they are given rupees. Here 1 rupee coin, you should write here 1 rupee, 50 paise. This is 2 rupees coin, 5 rupee coin, and here is 10 rupee coin. And here some notes are there. In this picture you have to write in front of this rupee symbol. This is rupee symbol. Okay, 1 rupee. This is 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupee, 10 rupee, and this is 20 rupees, 50 rupees, and 100 rupee, 500 rupee, and 2000 rupees. Everybody know familiar with notes and coins, no children? Yes, when you are going to shop means that time you are using no money. Yes. Now, how many rupees in all? Here is one exercise. How many rupees in all? Add the value of each coin and notes. What is the cost of each item? Here ice cream is there. Here we should add it. How much rupees we should write here in this box. Here 5 rupees coins is there. 5 rupees, 2 coins. 5 rupees, 2 coins, and 10 rupees, 2 notes are there. Let us count children. Yes, 5 plus 5, 10 rupees. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 10, 20 plus 10 how much? Yes, 30 rupees. Now we write here 30 rupees. Next, here 2 rupees. Peanuts are there. In this one, peanuts are there. 2 10 rupee notes are there. 2 10 rupees notes. 1, 2. 2 10 rupees notes means how much rupee? 10 plus 10, 20 rupee. Right here, 20 rupee. Here, popcorn. Popcorn is there. Popcorn. Here, 2 5 rupee coins. 2 5 rupees coins. See, this is 5 rupees coin, 1, 2. 2 5 rupees coin. Another one is 2 rupee. Here you take another one 2 rupee. Here also another one 2 rupee. And write 1 rupee. Now total how much rupees are there? Count it children. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. Now total rupees are 15. Right here 15. Next, sandwich. Here is one figure. Sandwich is there. Here 5 rupees 1 coin. 2 rupees another 1 coin. 1 rupee and 10 rupee. Now tell me children, total how much rupees are there? Yes, 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 10, yes, 8 plus 10, 18. Now we write in this box 18 rupees. Very simple, no children? Counting money is very simple. Now here, 2 10 rupees are there. 10 rupees, 2 are there, and 1 5 rupee coin is there. Milk packet. How much rupee is this milk packet? Yes, 2 rupees, 10. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 5, 25. You have to write here 25. Okay, children, understood? Counting money is very simple if you understand means. Next main is circle the notes and coins to get the sum equal to the cost of the item. Here sugar is there, rupees. Sugar cost 17 rupees. Now some coins and notes are there. Here is 5 rupees notes are there, and coins also is there. 10 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin, and here is 2 rupee coin. Here 1 rupee coin. You should circle these notes and coins to get the sum equal to the cost of this item. Equal to the cost of this item. So 17 rupees is the sugar packet. Now 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. Now circle it for this 17 rupees. Now this 17 rupees sugar cost equal to this cost of these coins. Now tea pack is rupee 41. 41 rupees. Now 20 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 10, 40, and 1 rupee coin. We should add it. This is the 10 rupee coin. No need to circle this one. Now just you add it for 41 rupees. Do circle for this and 1 rupee coin. See, now 20 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 10, 40. 40 plus 1 rupee coin makes 41 rupees. Okay. Next dal. Dal is 35 rupees. Now 50 rupees, 20, 10, 10 and 5 rupee coin is there. Now we should circle only for 35 rupees. Okay. Now 20 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 5, 35. Do it circle. Next, basmati rice. Basmati rice cost 49 rupees. Basmati rice cost 49 rupees. Now 20, here is 10 rupees and 5 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupee coin. Now you should do circle for only 49 rupees. Here you should do circle 20 rupees plus 30. Here is 20, another 120 is there. Do it circle for this 20 rupees. 20 rupees, 20 plus 20, 40. 40 plus another 9. 9 rupees we want no. So 5 rupees, 2, 5 plus 2, 6, 7 and 8. Here is 2 rupees. This is 2 rupee coin and here is 5 rupee. Here also 2 rupee coin. These are the 2 rupee coins. And here is 5 rupee coin. Now do it circle for 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. Do it circle for this 5 rupee coin. Now 20 plus 20, 40. 40 plus 9, 49 rupees. Basmati rice cost 49 rupees. Now how many coins makes rupees 50? How many coins make rupees 50? See children, here dash coins of rupee 5 make 50. Dash coins of rupee 5 make 50. How much rupees makes 5 rupees coins 50? Let us count. Here is 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. After that, Count it. 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Now 5 rupees coins. I am going to keep here 5 rupees coins to make 50 rupees. Now 50 rupees is there. How many coins makes 5 rupees coins make 50 rupees? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here 10 coins of 5 rupees 5 make 50 rupees. Got it, children? Yes, 10 coins of 5 rupees make rupees 50. Now dash coins of 2 makes rupees 50. Now 2 rupees coins make 50 means here you have to write 25. 25 coins of rupees make 50. Now 50 coins, dash coins of rupee 1 make 50. That means 100 rupee coins, it makes 50 coins. If you are adding means 50 coins of 1 rupee makes 50. Here you have to write 50. Dash coins of rupees 10 make 50. Here you write 5 coins. 5 coins of rupees 10 make rupee 50. Now see how many rupees back. How many rupees back. Look at the price of each item. Circle the rupee and rupee notes. Note to you. You will give to buy it. How much money will you get back? Here apple cost 15 rupees. Now 10 plus 20. How much rupees? 10 plus 20? 30 rupees. If you want to buy apple means this is only 15 rupees. Apple is cost only 15 rupees. If you are giving 30 rupees means how much money back you will get receive? Yes, 20 rupees. If you are giving means circle this rupee. How much rupee? You have 30 rupees now. Now if you are giving 20 rupees to the shopkeeper, he will give how much money back? Yes, 20 minus 15. Apple cost only 15 rupees. No, he will give back rupees 5. If you are giving 20 rupees, apple cost 15 rupees. Now 10 plus 20 minus 15. Yes, 5 only. Got it, children? Money received back 5 rupees. Here is one box. Geometry box is there. This geometry box cost 39 rupees. This geometry box cost 39 rupees. But you have only 50 rupees and 20 rupees. Which one you are giving? 20 rupees or 50 rupees? Yes, 20 rupees is less than 39. So you are giving this 50 rupees to the shopkeeper. So this geometry cost 39 rupees. Now you subtract it. 50 minus 39. Now how much? How much, children? Yes, we cannot subtract from 0 to 9. Now you borrow. Now 0 right here. Right here. 5 becomes 4. Now 10 minus 9. 1. 4 minus 3. 1. Now money received back 11 rupees. Right here 11 rupees. You have to do subtract. You are taking money back means you have to do subtract. Here banana cost 8 rupees. Here 10 rupees, 5 rupees. You have 10 rupees and 5 rupees. How much you are giving to the shopkeeper? Yes, you are giving 10 rupees to the shopkeeper. Now 10 minus 2 how much? 10 minus 8 how much? Yes, rupees 2 only. I'll show you. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 9 and 10 rupees. This is the 1 rupee coins. 10 rupee. This 1 rupee coins makes 10 rupee. If you are going to 10 rupee means this banana cost only 8 rupees. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 rupees only this banana. How much money back received? Yes, you received only 2 rupees back from the shopkeeper. Now you see children, Ratan International School has organized a food fest class 2. Put up a stall of Delhi chaat. Look at the menu chart and answer the questions. Tanushree bought dahi puri. She gave 20 rupees. How much amount did she get back? Yes, dahi puri cost 15 rupees. Understood? In this chart you observe it. Dahi puri cost how much rupees? 15 rupees. Here dahi puri cost 15 rupees. She gave 20 rupees to the shopkeeper. So how much amount she get back? Yes, 20 minus 15. How much? 5 rupees. She get back from the 5 rupees. Neena had dahi vada chaat. She gave 30 rupees. How much amount did she get back? Yes, dahi vada cost how much? Yes, where is dahi vada? Here, dahi vada chaat cost 25 rupees. If she gave 30 rupees to the shopkeeper, she will get 30 minus 25 how much? Yes, 5 rupees only. She get back 5 rupees. Soni had a 50 rupees note. She bought sev puri. How much amount did she get back? Yes, Soni had 50 rupees note. She had how much? 50 rupees note. She bought sev puri. Sev puri cost 15 rupees. Now you subtract it. 50 minus 15. Now how much? Yes, we cannot cancel from 0 to 5. So borrow 1 10 and 5 becomes 4. 10 minus 5, 5. 4 minus 1, 3. Now 35 rupees. She get back from 35 rupees. Sunil had chutney, puri and sev puri. She gave 40 rupees at the counter. How much amount did he get back? Yes, chutney puri. Chutney puri where is? Chutney puri cost 15 rupees. Okay, she gave 40 rupees to the at the counter. How much she get back? Yes, she get back 40 minus chutney puri cost 15 rupees. Sunil had chutney puri and sev puri. Both he got, no? Chutney puri and sev puri. 15 plus 15 how much? Yes, 15 plus 15, 30 rupees. Sev puri also 15 rupees and chutney puri also 15 rupees. Total 30 rupees. He gave 40 rupees in a counter. 40 rupees means you write here 40 minus here how much? 30 rupees, no? Sev puri and chutney puri. So how much money he get back? Yes, 0 minus 0, 0, 4 minus 3, 1. He get back 10 rupees. Aarti bought bel and papdi chaat. She gave a 50 rupee note. How much amount did she get back? Yes, Aarti bought bel and papdi chaat. Bel how much? 15 rupees. Bel is 15 rupees and papdi chaat also. Papdi chaat 20 rupees. Now we write here 20 rupees. Now add it. Both he bought now. Aarti bought bel and papdi. So 15 plus 20 how much? 5 plus 0, 5. 2 plus 1, 3. Now she gave how much rupees? Yes, 50 rupees. And then 35 rupees she gave for bel and papdi chaat. 35 rupees. Now subtract it. Yes, we cannot subtract from 0 to 5. Borrow 110 from here. These 5 tens are there. If you are given 110 means it remains 4. Right here 4. 10 minus 5, 5. And then 4 minus 3. How much? 1. Now we write here 15 rupees. Got it, children? How to do? Yes. Here rupees and paise. Exercise 10.4. Rupees and paise. We write rupees and paise as rupee 1 rupee 50 25 paise. We read rupees and paise as 1 rupee and 25 paise. 1 rupee. First we are reading 1 rupee. After that symbol it shows rupee symbol. Okay, 1 rupee 25 paise. Rupee symbol is rupee is. This is the rupee is the symbol of the Indian rupee. Okay, remember a dot is used to separate rupees and paise. Here is the dot, no? This dot separates rupees and paise. The rupees are written to the left of the dot. Left. This is the left side. Sorry, this is left side, no? See, your left hand means this is rupees and right side shows paises. Got it, children? Left side shows rupees, right side shows paise. Two places are used when writing a paise after dot. See, this is the place. Two places, 1, 2. Two places are used to writing a paise after a dot. This is dot. This shows paise. Okay. Now example here. Some examples given in your textbook. 12 rupees. We should read first 12 rupees and 5 paise. 12 rupees 5 paise. 12 rupees 50 paise. 15 rupees and 0 paise. We should read like this. Okay. Now write rupees and paise in words and figures. We have to write figures. Before doing this exercise, we are going to do some. Again, I'll repeat this money lesson. How many coins make rupees 50? Here already we did it. 10 coins of 5 make rupees 50. Dash coins of rupee 2 rupee make 50 rupees. Here you write 25 coins of rupee 2 makes 50 rupees. Dash coins of 1 rupee make 50. Yes, you are correct. 50 coins of rupee 1 rupee make 50 rupees. Dash coins of 10 rupee make 50. Here write 5 coins of rupee 10 make 50 rupees. Now conversion rupees and paise. Already we learned 100 paise makes 1 rupee. 100 paise makes 1 rupee. That is 1 rupee equals 100 paise. 1 rupee equals how much paise, children? 100 paise. We multiply rupees by 100 to get paise. Okay. Now 1 rupee equals 100 paise. 2 rupees equals 200 paise. 3 rupee equals 300 paise. Like that also 600 paise. 6 rupees makes 600 paise. Like that 9 rupees makes 900 paise. Here convert rupees to paise. Here now we will convert 3 rupees into dash paise. 1 rupee equals 100 paise, no? So you should write here 3 into 100. Now multiply. 3 zeros are 0. Again 3 zeros are 0. 3 ones are 3. Now 3 into 100. 3 rupees into 100 paise makes 300 paise. Right here 300 paise. Like this also 4 rupee equals how much paise? In 4 rupees how many paises are there? Yes, 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise, no? Now we have to find out 4 rupees. So 4 into 100. Now multiply. 4 zeros are 0. 4 zeros are 0. 4 ones are 4. Now in 4 rupees, how many 100 paise are there? Yes, 4 into 100, 400 paise. Right here, 400 paise. Like this also, you should multiply, convert these rupees into paise. In 9 rupee, how many paises are there? Yes, 9 zeros are 0, 9 zeros are 0, 9 ones are 9. We have to multiply, means here we write 900 paise. Like this also you should do. In 7 rupee, how many paises are there? That one you have to convert. Okay, 2 sums I showed now. So you should do convert like this. Now convert the paise to rupees. 300 paise, how many rupees are there? In 300 paise, 3 rupees are there. In 400 paise, 4 rupees. 800 paise makes 8 rupee. 500 paise makes 5 rupees. 600 paise makes 6. 900 paises makes 9 rupees. Now 73 paise makes, here you write 73 rupees. 7,300 paise makes 73 rupees. Circle the first 2 digits from the right to the left. You have to circle the 2 digits. Here if you are making, circle 2 digits. So we will get the rupees. These 2 digits show paise. This shows, right, this digit show rupees. Now addition rupees and paise. This is the addition. Everybody know how to do addition. Now we have to read 316 rupees 58 paise plus 241 rupees 35 paise. We have to add it. Now everybody know addition. 8 plus 5 how much, children? 8 keep in your mind. 5 take out in your finger. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 means you should write here 3, take carry 1. Now count all this one. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 6 plus 1, 7. 1 plus 4, 5. 3 plus 2, 5. Like this also, all the sum you should add it. Everybody know addition, no? So you should do addition. Okay. Next. Here subtraction rupees and paise. We have to subtract rupees and paise. See, subtraction everybody know how to do. 98 rupees 70 paise minus 23 rupees and 55 paise. We have to subtract now. Now, is it possible to cancel from 0 to 5? No, not possible. Write here 0 as it is. Borrow 1 10 from this tens place. Now 1 we are borrowing means how much it's remaining? 7 becomes 6. Okay, 10 plus 5 how much? 5 only. 6 plus 5? 6 minus 5? 1. Okay, 8 minus 3. Take out your 8 fingers. 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take out your 8 fingers and fold your 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. How many fingers are remaining? 5. Right here 5. 9 minus 2. Take out your 9 fingers. Fold your 2 fingers. How much remaining? 5, 6, 7. Right here 7. This is subtraction. Already you learned. Remaining all these sums you should do. Okay, children. Next, here is some word problems. Word problems also same. Anchal got rupees 524 rupees from her mother and 364 rupees from her father. How much money does she have now? Total rupees we have to find out. Okay, now 524 rupees and 0 paise. Okay, Anchal got from her mother and father she got 364 rupees and 0 paise. So in all means what we should do? How much money she have now means we have to do addition. Right here addition symbol. Now 0 plus 0, 0 only. 0 plus 0, 0. 4 plus 4, 8. 6 plus 2, 8. 5 plus 3, also 8. Got it, children? Now Anchal have 888 rupees now. How many rupees she have now? 888 rupees. Here, what is the total of rupees? What is the total of 672 rupee and 50 paise and 296 rupees and 25 paise. Total means we have to do addition. Again, we will do write the sum like this. 672 rupees 50 paise. P means paise. 396 rupees and 25 paise. We have to do addition. Now 0 plus 5, 5 only. 5 plus 2, 7. 6 plus 2, 8. 9 plus 7, 16. Take carry 1. Now 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. Got it, children? How to do addition? Yes, like this also you have to do addition. Here is some another word problems is there. Subtraction you have to do in your book. Now rupees and paise. See in your textbook also it is given. Write rupees and paise in words and figures. Here one example they are given. 1 rupee 75 paise. Here you have to write 1 rupee 75 paise. Like this only you have to write here. Okay. Now 7 rupees 50 paise. Write here 7 rupees 50 paise. 40 rupees 25 paise. Write in words 40 rupees 25 paise. 175 rupees 0 paise. Sorry, 5 paise. 175 rupees 5 paise. 838 rupees 20 paise. Write in words. Okay, like this only you should write. You should write here in short form. This is expanded form you are writing in words. But here they are given in words. You have to write in short form. Now let us read. Write in short form. 79 rupees 20 paise. Now we write here 79 rupees and make dot 20 paise. Got it, children? Yes. 130 rupees 10 paise. 100 means write here 130 rupees. 130 rupees. Rupees after put a dot and 10 paise. Okay. 265 rupees 5 paise. 200 means write here 265 rupees. 65 rupees. Rupees after dot here 5 paise. 5 paise means 0 5. You have to write 0 5. 5 paise. 701 rupee 0 paise. Here 700 means write first rupee symbol. 700 and 1 rupee 0. Tens place there is no other number. So you should write here 0. 700 1 rupee and 0 paise. 0 paise means write here zeros. 340 rupees 25 paise. 300 means 100 place. 340 rupees. 40 rupees dot 25 paise. 885 rupees 20 paise. Write first rupee symbol. 8 rupees. 85 rupees dot 20 paise. 630 rupees 60 paise. Write here 600. 1600 place 30. 30 means 3 times makes 30 rupees. And 60 paise. Write here 60. After dot paises you should write here. Okay. 60 paise. 920 paise. 920 means write here 20 paise. 20 paise, 920 rupees. This is rupees. 50 paise. Right here, 50 paise. Got it, children? Everybody write in your textbook also. Okay. I hope everybody understood this lesson. Okay. Now again I'll show you 250 rupees makes 100. Okay. Like this, 100. This is 250 rupees make 100. 200 rupees. 2 to 100 plus 100. How much? 200. See, this is 200 rupees note. Everybody seen in your home. Ask your parents how much rupees you have to count it. I hope everybody understood this lesson. Practice all the mains in your textbook and classwork. Thank you, children.